give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire. Ooh.
He's proud to